Today let's learn the fresh rose cup sleeve. When not in use, fold it up and it is a. First, magic ring start. Chain 2 to stand up. First round crochet 12 double crochets. After finishing, slip stitch with the first stitch, chain 2 to stand up. Every round end must slip stitch, stand up. Second round crochet 12 double crochet increases. That is crochet 2 double crochets in each stitch. Third round is 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet increase as 1 set. Crochet 12 sets in total. Fourth round is 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet as 1 set, crochet 12 sets. In total, fifth round is 3 double crochets. 1 double crochet increase as 1 set. Crochet 12 sets in total. Sixth round crochet in the back loops. Away from yourself. First crochet 3 double crochets in sequence. Then crochet 1 chain stitch. Then skip 1 stitch without crocheting, insert hook into next stitch, crochet 3 double crochets in sequence. Then crochet 1 chain stitch, skip 1 stitch, repeat according to this pattern. Skip 1 stitch, then crochet 3 double crochets in sequence, 1 chain stitch. The seventh round crochet 1 double crochet on each double crochet. In this way crochet 3 double crochets in sequence, then crochet 1 chain stitch. Continue to crochet double crochets on the double crochets. Then crochet 1 chain stitch, repeat according to this pattern. The following is according to the 7th round's crochet method, crochet to the desired height. I have crocheted to the 18th round here. After finishing, slip stitch with the first stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Change yarn and insert hook into the chain stitch space, chain 1 to stand up. Crochet 1 single crochet in the same position. 5 chain stitches. Then skip 3 stitches without crocheting, crochet 1 single crochet. In the next chain stitch space, 5 chain stitches. Repeat according to this pattern. After finishing, slip stitch with the first single crochet. Chain 1 to stand up. In this chain stitch space first crochet 1 single crochet, 2 chain stitches. Then crochet 4 sets, 1 double crochet, 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 1 chain stitch, crochet 1 single crochet in the same space. This is a large leaf. In the next space first crochet 1 single crochet, 7 chain stitches. Slip stitch in the 4th stitch from the hook. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. Crochet 1 single crochet in the same space. In this way 2 chain stitch spaces. Make 1 set, repeat crocheting. After the last set is finished, slip stitch with the first single crochet. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. For the rows, insert hook into the single crochet next to the chain stitches. Then insert hook into the 3rd stitch. From the hook, crochet 3 double crochets in each stitch. In the next stitch also crochet 3 double crochets. After finishing, crochet 2 more chain stitches. Slip stitch in the last stitch. Chain 1 and leave a long yarn tail to cut the yarn. Then sew a few stitches at the bottom. To fix the flower, tie these 2 yarn tails in a knot. The yarn tails can be hidden inside the flower. The yarn tails can be hidden into the flower. Beside each leaf, crochet a rose flower. Then crochet 110 chain stitches as a strap. Thread into the main body, thread through the chain stitch spaces like this. At both ends of the tie rope, use the same method to crochet roses.